Hey there guys, Joe the Auto Guy here today, garage update number 3. I'm doing some stuff around the shop, garage, and updates on the cars and some things that are going to go on around here. So first off, I'd like to state that we have most of the stuff cleared out, corners undone. We want to do a little more lighting as you can see, but widespread corners are out. I got some stuff out of the way, some stuff inside the house. Couple updates. Couple updates are the fact that we have a Ryobi pressure washer right there. I got a Ryobi string trimmer and cultivator over there for my wife's garden. That's just a couple things we had going around the shop. So essentially, still have that on the wall. I got the bricks out of the wall over there. I got the bricks out of the wall over here. We have a new air compressor. And I have another tank for the air compressor to make it kind of a 45-gallon tank instead of a 20, but nice belt drive, keeps it quiet. I just have it into the other one that's actually a broken one I picked up. Still works as a pressurized tank. I am kind of sorting out my electrical. If you can see some boxes on the wall. And I got some cool new LED shop lights. Give me some light in here so I can do some projects. So like I said, it's coming together a little bit. I'm starting to make a plan, start to get things going. And yeah, so that's that. We need to figure out, I'm trying to see if I want to make a tire rack up here for these tires or just a shelf. What do you guys think? Let me know your ideas. I straightened this shelf so it's not so crooked, it's going across. And yeah, that's about all I got for updates on this. I'm just trying to make a plan, get things together, figure out what I'm doing. And then, Honda Civic update as we're trying to work on wiring. And I actually have this is a very useless harness from a Dodge Charger that I got cut up from an engine I put in a Charger. Came with the junkyard engine, they cut wires. But the thing is they got a power wire and a big ground wire in here, so once I separate it from all this junk, we have some wiring to make our finish off our charge harness instead of having to buy stuff. Recycling. Wire itself is still in good condition besides the stuff they cut. It seems very well protected. You know, not all cut up or jagged or pulled on. Connectors aren't corroded, so we're gonna use that one, make our charge harness. MR2, pretty much I'm just trying to work on the Civic, get that thing running, figure out what we can do, and then move to the MR2. I got the fuel pump, everything, engine, gaskets for the engine. We just need to get forward and moving with stuff. I'm working on a couple other projects with the channel, such as getting some light sponsorship, new tool reviews for you guys, and some product placement. And some products to try out to let you guys, you know, people have been asking me about. Trying to do a little bit of everything. Got more videos coming. I got a lot more detailing videos coming. If you haven't been able to tell, I have a lot of detailing products. That's why I bought the Ryobi pressure washer and stuff. Get my foam cannon on. But you can see there, so here I got my polisher. It's here I have a ton of microfibers. In here, some other stuff. I have a ton of detailing products down here. All stuff I use, stuff I finally got over. I mean, I got new microfibers I haven't even opened yet. It's just, I like to make things clean. So, I like playing with that stuff, doing that stuff, and trying to figure out a way to organize this better, quick access. Might have a shelf built right across there. So what I plan on doing too is over here, below said window, I really plan on building like one of those flip tables. So it rests against the wall when it's not in use and then pops up if I just want a little table rest or a little workbench to use. Thought it'd be a great idea, get some space back in a way, because the car will be here most times and then we pull up to the center when I'm working on it. So that'll be fun. So that's all I really have for the update. We're just working on wiring for the Civic. Need to get Project MR2 just back in position over here so I can start working on it. Civic is gonna make an appearance over here, I'm sure. Airlines, electrical needs to be run still, but right now I'm okay with what I got. We're just running off stuff here and there and we're trying to get, you know, some stuff moving. So if you'd like to donate to the project, let me know. I don't expect anything. Like I said, I got some products to try out. I got some stuff sent from FiberFix. We're gonna play around with that a little bit and see what we can do and put the stuff to the test. And a lot more tools coming your way, a lot more lighting tools, because lighting is such a big thing for me. It's, you need to see to know what you're working on. When you have good lighting, you just love it. So that's what we're gonna be working on. And projects with shelves, tire racks, I don't know yet. So we'll go from there. Still gotta get the toolbox over here. That's a major thing. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay subscribed to get a lot more videos like this one and repair videos, and I'll have a lot more content coming your way.